is breaking news on 2 News at 10.
Thanks for joining us tonight for 2 News at 10. I'm Mark Cabell.
And I'm Heidi Hatch. Glad you're with us. We start tonight with breaking news out of Provo. An elderly man lost his life after he was hit by a pickup truck just days away from Christmas.
Yeah, this happened this evening as he was crossing the street. Our David Ochoa live at the scene tonight with the very latest on what happened. David?
Yeah, the man was crossing this street here when he was hit by the truck. We're still here. The scene has mostly cleared up by now, but right now the tow truck just came to finally take away the truck. The man was taken to the hospital, but he died from his injuries. Now, police said it's too early to know exactly what happened, but the driver of that truck has been cooperating with police during the investigation. Now, the crash happened when it was dark out, and this area isn't very well lit, save for 1 or 2 street lights that light this road here. Now, that combined with a busy street means it could have been a number of things that caused this accident to happen.
It was dark at the time and traffic is heavy. This is a very big diversion area with the University Avenue Bridge being redone by UDOT at the moment. So it's a lot of traffic got diverted and heads through both directions. So could be a visibility, could be time of day, could be not suspecting a pedestrian. It's just too soon to tell.
Now again, this is right across the street from the Provo Central Station. There is no crosswalk across the street here, so that means the man wasn't hit in a crosswalk. Now police are reminding drivers to take extra precaution on the road and pedestrians to make sure they're visible and walk that extra distance to cross at a designated area. Now, the Department of Public Safety tells us that Utah had 9 pedestrian deaths last December, and this year there were 5 in a week earlier this month. So this incident unfortunately adds to those numbers. Again, here's the one last look at the scene. Just what's left of it is the truck that did hit the man is finally being towed away after being out here for a few hours. Police did clean up their investigation about an hour ago, so this is all that's left, and we're still waiting for more information. The man's identity has not been released, as well as we don't know about that driver or anything that come with that, potentially charges or what happened. When we have that, we'll bring that to you here on KUTV. Reporting live from Provo, David Ochoa, KUTV 2 News.